Imagine earning $500 a day online, working from anywhere, and with no prior experience. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'll show you 10 incredible websites that can help you make serious money in 2025. And the best part, anyone can start today. First up is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a platform where you can sell almost any skill, from graphic design to voiceovers to video editing. Even if you're a beginner, there's a category for you, like virtual assistants or social media management. Many sellers here make hundreds per day, and you can too. Next is Upwork, a freelancing platform where clients post jobs, and you can apply for the ones that suit your expertise. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, or even data entry, Upwork connects you to high-paying opportunities. Want to make passive income? Try Amazon KDP. This platform lets you self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free, and every sale earns you royalties. You don't need to be a professional writer. AI tools like Jasper or ChatGPT can help you create content in no time. Have a skill or knowledge others want to learn? Use Teachable to create and sell online. Love meeting people or sharing your skills? With Airbnb experiences, you can offer virtual or in-person activities like cooking classes or city tours. People pay for unique experiences, and you keep a significant portion of the revenue. If you're creative, try Etsy. This marketplace lets you sell handmade crafts, print-on-demand designs, or even digital downloads like planners and templates. Some Etsy sellers make thousands of dollars every month. Don't mind doing simple tasks for cash. TaskRabbit connects you with people who need help with things like assembling furniture, running errands, or even house cleaning. It's an easy way to earn quick money. Ever wanted to sell custom merchandise? With Printful, you can start a print-on-demand business without holding inventory. Simply upload your designs, and Printful takes care of the printing, shipping, and customer service. Of course, we can't leave out YouTube. By creating content on trending topics like tech, finance, or lifestyle, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency is key, and some creators make millions. Finally, we have Rev.com, a platform where you can get paid to transcribe audio files or create captions for videos. It's flexible, beginner-friendly, and you can earn up to $30 per hour. These 10 websites have helped thousands of people earn money online, and now it's your turn. Whether you're looking for passive income or a full-time online career, there's something here for everyone. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more money-making tips.